Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer stocks from Fidelity to Vanguard step by step clearly. To transfer stocks from Fidelity to Vanguard, begin by gathering necessary information. Make sure you have your Fidelity account number and your Vanguard account number on hand. Log into your Fidelity account on their official website. Navigate to the Accounts and Trades section in the main menu. Select Transfers from the drop-down options. Click on Transfer an account to initiate the process. Choose Transfer from another firm as your transfer type. Fill in the required fields with your personal information and account details. Indicate that you want to transfer stocks to your Vanguard account. Select the assets you wish to transfer, ensuring they are eligible for transfer. Review your selections carefully to avoid any errors. Accept the terms and conditions provided by Fidelity. Submit your transfer request. You will receive confirmation from Fidelity regarding the status of your transfer. Next, log into your Vanguard account on their website. Go to the My Accounts section and select Account Maintenance. Click on Transfer an Account in the Account Maintenance menu. Provide the necessary details requested, including your Fidelity information. Once completed, submit your transfer request with Vanguard. Monitor both your Fidelity and Vanguard accounts for updates on the transfer status. The transfer may take several days to process, so be patient during this period. Upon completion, verify that all your stocks have been accurately transferred to your Vanguard account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.